This is how to crochet single crochet if you're left-handed. First, I'm going to place my middle finger behind the chain I want to work into, and then I'm going to use my thumb to help guide the top loop onto my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull it through the chain, grab that section with my middle finger and thumb, pinch it so that when I yarn over again and pull it through both loops, I can get that upside down teardrop I need to guide my hook through smoothly. And I'm going to repeat that for the rest of the row. So I'm placing my middle finger behind the chain, then I'm using the tip of my hook in the center of the chain to pick up the top loop. Then I'll yarn over, pull it through the chain, grab that section with my middle finger and thumb, pinch it, yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook. I'm not left-handed, but I know there's a lot of you that want to learn how to crochet with the hook on the left side, and I'm getting there. But if there are many of you, just leave me a like and a comment, and I'll move it up on the priorities because I do have to practice in between stitches in order to be able to demonstrate properly. Row 2 is going to be in the comments. This is how you crochet row 2 of the single crochet if you're left-handed. I'm going to chain 1 for my turning chain, and then I'm going to place my right middle finger behind the stitch that I want to work into, and I'm going to point the tip of my hook into that stitch, make sure I grab both loops. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull it through the stitch. My middle finger and thumb are holding the first single crochet row in place, and then they're going to grab the 2 loops or directly underneath them so that when I yarn over and pull through, I get that upside down teardrop I need to guide the hook through smoothly. And I'm going to repeat that until the end of the row. If your stitches are too tight to work into, I would recommend going up a hook size. Until you get the muscle memory down, it's common to have tight stitches, but you want to have loose stitches to work into so that your muscles don't struggle as they're trying to build that memory. But mostly it's important to just take it one stitch at a time and make sure that you're using both hands, not just the hook, to try and crochet, because I always argue that the hand opposite from the hook is actually doing more of the work, because the hook really just has one job, and that is to bring the yarn through the loop, but the opposite hand has the job of guiding the hook, picking the next stitch, counting stitches, everything. Be sure to like and follow for more close-up stitch tutorials. I post them every single day.